Hello and welcome back to BHM University. My name is Nate with Broadway Home Medical, and today we're going to be unboxing the Jazzy Carbon, a folding power chair by Pride Mobility. Now that we have the box open, let's go ahead and get it out. You'll notice upon taking it out of the box that the chair is already folded and everything is all conveniently packed in this one bag. We can go ahead and pull this bag down, and you'll notice that all of the important parts are wrapped up in nice foam. All right, so from here, the chair comes all folded up. The joystick is already attached. It's in this box here. It's already connected to the power chair. In this box, we have the charger. We'll talk about that in just a second. For now, we're gonna go ahead and slide this joystick out of the way, and we're going to go ahead and unfold it. We're going to do that by grabbing this handle here on the back and pull up and unfold until you hear that click. Just like that, our chair is already unfolded. From there, what we want to do is go ahead and take this joystick out of the box. You're going to notice that the joystick is wrapped in bubble wrap. We can go ahead and remove that bubble wrap. And here on the back side, you're going to notice clips. We can connect these clips to the wire. That way it will hold the wire out of the way. Then the joystick will go ahead and attach here to the front of the armrest. There's a little knob that you can screw, tighten it up, and there we go. And from there you can adjust your cord so that everything looks uniform. Just like that. Next, what we want to do is go ahead and remove some of this plastic. We're going to do that by carefully cutting. I like to cut on the underside in case if I do happen to nick anything, we're nicking on the underside, but we don't nick anything. Like I said, just be very careful when cutting this tape and do more so tearing rather than cutting. Just like that. Compact conveniently up underneath the seat, we have the battery. The battery comes wrapped up in all this foam, and we can actually just pull that right out of the foam, just like so. This battery attaches right up underneath the seat, just like so. All right, so the next thing that we're going to talk about here is these arms. These arms can fold up. We do that by pushing this red button here on the side. We'll push that in and we'll go ahead and lift up on that handle, just like that. And we can do that on each side. Push that down, you'll hear a click, and it's just back to normal. Here on the back side, you're going to notice that this chair is in what we call freewheel. It's in neutral right now. When unboxing these power chairs, all Jazzy Carbons are going to come in neutral. That is to keep that means that the wheels are in freewheel. That means that they're going to roll. To take it out of neutral or to put it in drive, you're going to notice these red handles here on the back side. To take it out of neutral, you're going to push these handles forward, just like so on each side, and that's going to put it in drive. From there, we can turn on the joystick, and it's going to give you a beep and you can turn it around. Next up, we're going to go ahead and talk about the charger. This charger has a standard scooter or power chair plug-in, and you can actually take and plug in to the joystick just like you would on any other power wheelchair, or you can actually pull this battery out and plug directly into the battery. And that's going to conclude our video of unboxing the Jazzy Carbon. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these. And as always, thank you for watching BHM University.